Once, on a network not too far away, there were two worlds, Applicopia and Infrastructa. The Applicopians were romantics and dreamt of clouds and 2.0 apps. They used stickies and talked about agile development. They had many languages and many acronyms. The Infrastructuans didn't care about function. Packets were all that mattered, and everything was tested to perfection. One day, these worlds collided, and war loomed on the horizon. The Applicopians were outraged. "Our applications no longer work," they cried. The Infrastructuans were equally angry. "What have you done to our beloved performance?" But in the midst of the chaos, a new tribe was formed from the ashes of the old. This new tribe was called Servicia. The Servicians didn't care about packets or applications. They only cared about the service. You see, they had figured out the duality. Tests are equal to packets times mu squared. Mu is equal to the speed of testing. If you can convert packets to tests and vice versa, we will have peace. And both worlds lived happily ever after. The end.